Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your baseline and getting medical clearance. This protects you and directs the plan. Once cleared, set a modest 250-500 kilocalorie daily surplus and log intake so you know progress. Make sure to prioritize nutrient-dense foods, healthy fats and proteins, rather than empty calories. Once you establish consistent surplus habits, pair them with a simple training routine for forearms and hands to guide tissue adaptation, while keeping an eye on rate of gain to avoid excess fat distribution elsewhere. Continue by combining dietary density with targeted mechanical stress. Eat small high-calorie meals and snacks like nuts, avocado, and whole eggs throughout the day to keep surplus steady. At the same time, train grip and forearm muscles 3 times weekly, farmer's carries, wrist curls, and progressive hand gripper work to thicken muscle and subtly change hand appearance. Make sure to include gentle massage and soft tissue work to improve local circulation. This helps tissue remodeling and reduces tightness as the area adapts to added calories and load. To finish, monitor progress weekly with photos and simple wrist and hand circumference measures. Adjust calories by 100-200 kcal if changes stall or accelerate. Keep protein at about 1:2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram to support tissue growth, and continue progressive overload while prioritizing rest and sleep for recovery. If you notice rapid swelling, persistent pain, numbness, or discoloration, stop the protocol and consult a clinician promptly. These are signs requiring medical evaluation rather than more calories or exercise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.